Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you orange juice, fresh squeezed. Alright, so you get some, however many orange you choose to use, and you put it on the surface and just kind of roll it with your hands, compressing it. Compress it and roll it without bursting it. Alright, we do that to soften or to loosen the juice in the orange. Alright, next, on the running water, rinse the orange or wash the orange properly. If you can use one of those Scotch Brite, one of those scrubbing pad, and then wash the orange properly. Because you don't want, when you squeeze it or you're juicing it, whatever dirt on the skin will probably get in the orange, and you just want to be cautious with that. Alright, so once you do that, you just rinse it off with fresh water. Alright, you can use an electric orange juicer, or you can use one of these manual ones that you just cut the orange in half and then put it on that juicing thing, and then just do as you see me doing, and then just juice the orange and then get the juice from the orange. Alright, if you don't have one of these machines, you can just use a knife or a spoon and just kind of scoop out in the middle, and then use your hand and kind of squeeze the juice out of the orange. I'm just showing you a different method. Alright. Once you do that, you get a strainer, fine strainer, and then strain the orange juice, or just the juice. Get the juice out. Alright. This machine here is very effective. Within a couple seconds, just squeeze the orange juice out. Use a spoon and strain. Just do as you see me doing. Just use a spoon and kind of squeeze. Use a spoon to squeeze the orange juice from the orange pulp. And get this fresh orange juice out. So guys, this is how you make freshly squeezed orange juice. You don't have no preservative, nothing. It's just fresh orange juice, pure orange juice without additive. No additive whatsoever. Alright, orange juice. Homemade, fresh, squeezed orange juice. Alright, so I know this is a simple video, but it's just for your entertainment purpose. And I'm trying to make video I'm trying to make video for every single recipe on JamaicaDinners.com. Alright, so this is orange juice, fresh squeezed orange juice. Visit JamaicaDinners.com, share, like, and support. Bye.
Yeah, man.